LIZZIE Cundy has revealed that she's seen Peter Andre in his Speedos, and has got more than a chipolata. It comes after comments that Rebekah Vardy, 40, made about the pop star's manhood came up again in the current Wagatha Christie libel trial against Coleen Rooney. 5. LIZZIE Cundy has supported pal Peter Andre by saying has got more than a chipolata credit, splash. 5. Peter's manhood came under scrutiny when Rebekah Vardy made a comment about it in 2001. 5. Rebekah has been in court this week up against Coleen Rooney credit, Rex. During an interview with News of the World, the WAG opened up about her one-night stand with Peter back in 2001. Rebekah labeled Pete the worst lover and called his penis a miniature chipolata. LIZZIE, 54, has rushed to support her pal on social media. Last night LIZZIE tweeted, "Just before I go to bed I've got to say I love at Mr. Peter Andre. I think it's terrible he has been brought into this WAG's war. And I've seen him in his Speedos, he's no chipolata hashtag just saying #Wagatha Christie." Earlier today an emotional Peter gave an apology to his family over Rebekah's claim on Instagram. The mysterious girl singer said he has been mocked about his manhood for 15 years because of the interview the WAG gave in 2001. Speaking in the High Court earlier this week, Rebekah claimed she had been forced into being critical about Pete by her ex-husband and regretted the story. Peter has previously compared the size of his tudger to a Sky remote. The pop star previously told OK, "I'm proud of it. It's the size of the Sky remote control, I've measured it." His ex-wife Katie Price backed him up by saying, "It's the size of the Sky Plus One, the one with the gray bits on, that's bigger than the normal remote." Meanwhile, Peter's son Junior has shared some of his new music after following in his dad's footsteps. Fans went wild for Junior's latest track, Slide. Many compared the 16-year-old to his dad, with one saying, "I'll love your song and you are amazing like your dad Peter Andre." Another chimed in, "Looking just like your dad. Twins." Peter shares Princess, 15, and Junior with his ex-wife Katie, who he was married between 2005 and 2009. The star is now married to Emily McDonough and have 2 kids together, Amelia, 8, and Theodore, 5. 5. Peter Andre and Rebekah had a fling back in 2001 credit, Rex features. 5. LIZZIE took to Twitter to support Pete credit, the mega agency. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.